Hello guys, we are here in Asakusa, Japan. Asakusa, Tokyo, Japan. Hindi na kami nakapag-video kanina pagdating ng airport, hotel, etc. kasi very hectic. Ang daming dapat kasi gawin. So very busy.
And mainit eh.
Mainit, grabe. It's about 32-33 degrees. Today is July 8, July 8, 2025.
Pumunta na kami sa hotel namin. Dinrap off namin yung mga luggages. And now, puntahan namin to Sensoji Temple.
Sensoji Temple. It's about 900 meters, so less than 1 kilometer away from sa hotel namin. Mga 13 minutes
walk.
Init.
Pero super init.
Ang linis ng Japan, guys. Very clean and tidy. And then, ayan na yung Sensoji Temple. Okay, we're just gonna go all the way in there. And then, ito yung crossing. Hindi ito yung Shibuya crossing, guys. Yeah, lots of crossing. So, we're just gonna cross the road. We're gonna go there to that temple there. And then that's it. Wait for the green light. This is the start of our vlog. It's a bit unusual. Dapat kung kailan kami dumating ng airport, usually how we start our vlog. Pero masyadong hectic. And then we'll try and capture as many videos as we can to share our journey here in Tokyo and Osaka and Kyoto, Japan.
But for the first 3 days, only Tokyo. I know it's very limited time, but we will try na ma-visit yung mga
places. We only here for 7 days. Bitin na bitin. Pero we'll see. So we're gonna cross the road now. We just wait for the lights to turn green. And then we'll go to that temple over there. And then as you can see guys, ito, yun yung yeah. Tokyo Sky Tree.
Yeah, that's
Yung
the
mataas na tower niya. So we're gonna climb there later. I-video namin on top of that tower later on.
Okay.
This is the Sensoji Temple entrance. Ito yung mga nag-o-offer ng rickshaw. Mga traditional Japanese costumes. I'm just gonna take some photo. And then in there, papasok doon, andyan yung market na may mga kainan. So here, guys, pwede kang mag-rent ng traditional Japanese costume like this, mga kimono. I don't know how much, pero pwede kang magsuot niyan habang naglalakad-lakad dito sa... For a few hours, of course. What's all this?
What is it? These are the traditional 7,700 for their sleepers, Japanese sleepers.
So, ang i-convert namin is pounds. GB pounds. Pero try din namin i-convert into peso kasi.
Peso, that will be 3.5 like 3.7.
So, mahaba siya. Goes all the way down there to the bottom. And I think there's another temple in the end. This looks cute. T-shirts. In here, dito yata sila nagre-rent ng mga kimono. Ayan sila. I'm not sure about the price, so we'll find out and then I'll put it on the description below kung magkano rent dito at kung gaano katagal. Alright, so nag-turn left kami and then nakita namin to. This is another long corridor with shops on both sides. Okay, hindi naman siya gaano ka-busy today kasi nga July summer is apparently not the best time to go to Japan kasi ang init sobra. Mga keychain. So right now, it's so hot and humid. It's about 33-35 degrees. Okay din naman kahit paano. Wag lang uulan. Pero mainit talaga. Parang init sa Pilipinas. Itong mga knives. Seisuke knife.
This is nice and cool here.
Oh, malamig dito sa loob na to. Along this corridor, mukhang air-conditioned kahit medyo open siya. So malamig dito. Japan tax-free shop. So kung basta bring your passport every time you come here, go out and do some shopping, always bring your passport kasi you can get 10% off tax-free on top of some discounts. So malaking bagay din yung 10% na yun. Diretso lang tayo. Ito na yung temple. Sensoji. Here we are. Very nice. So, pasok lang tayo sa loob. Medyo crowded pero hindi siya ganun ka-busy. So only if you drew a bad fortune, please tie it to a rock. So para ka magwi-wish dito or you ward off bad omen or bad fortune, and then you shake something. Yan yung ginagawa nila. We don't know how it works. Pero you write something on a piece of paper.
Where do you get the paper?
Yeah, may papel doon. You write something and then you tie it here. Supposedly, kung ano yung mga kamalasan mo sa buhay, itatali mo doon sa rock and then iwanan mo na. So it brings good fortune. Kung meron kayo ibang explanation, please leave it in the comment. Because we are kind of curious. Hindi namin alam. So may statue dito with some water sprouting dragons. Please do not put your mouth directly on the deeper. So linisin mo yung kamay mo and then you cleanse yourself. And then right here, magsisindi ka ng incense. And then you just absorb the essence. Yeah. Malaking place to. It's very big. Massive. And then background, makita nyo yung tower na yan, malaking tower. Yan yung Tokyo Sky Tree. From here, diretso kami doon a bit later on. Papadilim lang kami ng konti. Medyo maliwanag pa, mainit, sobra. So kung pupunta kayo dito ng July, so just bring light clothing. And then we go inside. We go inside the temple itself. Oh. So naghahagis sila ng barya and then they pray. Baba naman tayo dito. Looks like another garden area. Hello guys, so tapos na kami sa Sensoji Temple. And now we are here in Ginza. So ang target namin today is puntahan namin ang Uniqlo, the flagship store. We just go straight to Uniqlo and then we go back to GU. So dire-diretso lang after ng Ginza station. So nagsa-subway lang kami or underground. Ito na yung Uniqlo, the biggest Uniqlo in Japan. In the world, ito yung flagship nila. Ito yung posh area. Posh area ng Tokyo. May taxi nila rito, Uber. So straightforward din yung taxi, yung subway nila, I mean. Yung mga staff na rito, kung magtanong ka, they speak fluent English. So hindi ka mawawala. It's very accommodating yung mga staff nila sa train. So yan, so tawid lang kami. Okay, let's go. Biggest Uniqlo in Tokyo, I think. Yes, siya kataas. So big it is. All the way up there. That is all Uniqlo. I don't know how many floors, but we're gonna go inside now and have a look. Wow, may swinging shirts. Target practice. So ito yung guide nila yung every floor. So there are altogether about 12 floors of Uniqlo. Okay, so let's go in. So we're gonna go to 8th floor men casual. And nagagas So dito kami sa loob ng Uniqlo, hindi kami makapag-video kasi ang daming tao. Hindi namin makita sa inyo lahat. Pero normally yung mga t-shirt nila is mga 3,000 yen, polo is 2,990 yen, mga ganun.
Mga 1990 ganun.
1990. Mura kumpara sa UK. Tapos pag nag-spend ka ng more than 5,000 yen, if you have your passport with you, meron kang 10% discount. So make sure na kung may nakita ka, don't pay it straight away. Kunin nyo yung mga pinamili nyo.
Kasi they only offer the tax-free
If you
for...
spend more than 5,000 yen. Nagkamali kami kasi binayaran namin agad per floor. Just keep on shopping and then pay it all in one go. Ayan, so hanggang dito lang muna kami sa Uniqlo. Malaki siya, 12 floors and yung bag niya. Mura siya dito, mura.
Mura.
Really good. Maraming choices, too many choices.
Especially sa mga bagets namin.
Yung mga bagets namin, ayaw nila mag-shopping.
Dito nag-shopping.
Pero for the first time, marami silang mga dinambot. So happy rin kami, happy sila. And then next one, our next stop will be in Skytree in Asakusa. So medyo dumidilim na, so medyo maganda na yung environment na. Right, so tapos na po kami sa Uniqlo. So right now, andito pa rin kami sa Ginza. As you can see, Ginza at night, very posh. Valentino, Fendi, Tiffany, Prada, nandito pa to. So pupunta naman kami ngayon dyan sa GU. Right there, GU. And then dito na kami sa GU. So we'll see here kung anong difference sa arigatou gozaimasu kung anong difference sa Uniqlo, okay? Right, so papunta na tayo ngayon sa Skytree. It's on the 4th floor. Yeah, Skytree. We are now on the 2nd floor. Admission is around 11 pounds. Pero kung mag-book kayo via Klook, mas mura. Kaso hindi kami nakapag-book na maaga and wala na siyang availability for today. Oh, there's Godzilla over there. And there's Pokemon. Okay, one more floor. Ni. Isa pang floor. Okay. So, medyo naligaw kami. Umabot kami ng 5th floor. Na-miss namin yung 4th floor. So, andito sa may Godzilla. Yung kainang nakita ninyo, nandito yung 4th floor ngayon. So, hanapin lang namin yung ticket counter. Any signs? Oh, yeah, there you go. Okay, makikita nyo yan. The Skytree observation deck. And then you see this Pokemon sign. Medyo nakakalito kasi paglabas yun ng station, pagkakit yun ng escalator, ganito yan, mga mall na. Okay. Observation deck. Just follow the arrow. Straight ahead. Yan yung mga shops dito. Oh, Gundam. A figurine. Toys, collectibles. Okay, so Skytree Station is Skytree Observation Deck. So we turn right. Kasi yan ang gusto natin puntahan. Oh, may mga restaurant din dito. Ayan, oh. Okay, where are we now? Alright, so turn left here. Again, there's a sign with the caricatures. Okay, and then you go to this junction again, My Only Fragrance. Observation deck, go to the right again. Okay, ito na yun. And then you come out here in this open space. Tokyo Skytree, there it is. Kainan dito, ang bango. Smells nice in here. Kasi masyadong mainit dito, nagpapamist dahil mga kainan dito. And the Skytree itself, ito ko na sa inyo, masyadong mataas. Ay, grabe. There it is, all the way up. Alright, let's see if we can go on top. Hanapin natin yung ticket office para makabili tayo ng ticket pataas ng Skytree para makita natin ang view. Okay? Right, so yung nakita mong sign nga, natin sign kanina, Tokyo Skytree. This is the main entrance. Katabi siya ng mga kainan. Daming tao. It's an open air food area, eating area. Okay, and then we go in here. Main entrance observation deck. What's going on here? Go find the ticket office. Oh, there you go. Okay, Skytree tickets. So, ito na, bibili na tayo ng ticket. So, ang price ng ticket, so 18 years and over is 3,500 yen. That's adult. And 12 to 17 is 2,350 yen. And child is 1,450.
Thank you for waiting.
Okay, thank you. Right, let's buy the ticket. Ang ticket po natin, kasi dalawang klase yan. It's either, dyan laki sa spot na yan, which is floor 350, or you can go on 2 floors, 350 and 450 floors. Pero ang difference is 1,000 yen. So it's up to you. If you want to go on both floors, you pay 1,000 yen more. Or if you want to go just the one for the lower floor, it's 2,400. Okay? Just for info.
Next up is the Tokyo Skytree Demo Deck, floor 350.
And this is the observation deck. Oh, wow! Guys, nakakalula siya. Pag dito kayo nakatayo and you see it in person, talagang para kang lumulutang. Ang layo ng view, ang layo na nararating.
Look at that.
You have to see this in person. Kung pupunta kayo ng Tokyo, don't miss this. Tokyo Skytree. It's worth it. So, hindi na kami pumunta sa mas mataas kasi gabi na rin naman. Pagod na kami. We just want to see the sky view, the city view at night.
It's not traffic. There's no traffic.
Maluwag na ang kalsada and it's only 10 to 9 in the evening. Maluwag ang mga kalsada. Walang traffic. Like that. Galing. It's up to you kung ano gusto nyong view. Kung gusto nyo daytime or nighttime. Pero kasi pinahuli namin to kasi gusto namin makita during the night yung mga lights ng Tokyo. So, we're gonna go downstairs na. Tapos na kami sa taas. And then there's a glass floor. Sabi nung anak ko, yung madadaanan mo daw talaga. So, ito yung glass floor. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh my God! You see all the way to the very bottom, street level. Oh. Can you do it? Jeremy, come on. Angelo, walk. You're doing it. Where's mom? Me. Come on, do it. Do it. Oh, tinry namin. Ayaw try ni Millet. Takot siya. So we're gonna take the lift or elevator to the ground floor. So I'm gonna go home now. It's been a long day and masakit na yung paa namin. Now we're gonna go to 7-Eleven. Sana marami ng sale ng mga mga goodies nila. And then dinner namin.